Cirris System's Pinsight is a revolutionary new tool designed to help assembly personnel quickly and accurately insert spare pins, seal plugs, and terminated wires into electrical connectors. It also verifies contact retention with its built-in force sense monitor, assuring that wires are truly locked in. And it requires no mating connectors, instead utilizing a connector vise clamp to hold the connector being worked on firmly in place. Pinsight electronically superimposes a colored target circle around the cavity, clearly showing the operator where to insert. In the case of spare pins and seal plugs, Pinsight can be programmed to insert them as a group. In this example, 9 cavities will be filled with seal plugs. As you can see, Pinsight's high-def camera provides real-time video of the connector as the operator is inserting. By coming in at a slight angle, the operator quickly finds the correct cavity, then straightens the plug and inserts it the rest of the way. It may seem awkward at first, looking at the monitor instead of the connector. However, after a few short minutes of training, operators easily adapt. Most report that they prefer it, being much easier finding the target cavity on the blown-up on-screen image rather than hunting for it on the actual connector. When finished, the operator easily verifies that all plugs were placed correctly. Once all spare pins and seal plugs are placed, the operator begins inserting wires. Pinsight is most helpful with cables that have labeled or colored wires. In this example, the operator will insert 5 white wires and a twisted quad with 4 different colored wires. The operator enters the wire ID of the first wire to be inserted. Wire IDs can be entered via keyboard, barcode scan, or spoken into a microphone. The target circle for that wire is superimposed on screen. A computerized voice speaks the wire color and cavity location.
F. White wire.
The operator locates the cavity and inserts the wire. A zoomed-in close-up appears in the upper right-hand corner, making it even easier for the operator to assure they're in the right cavity. Pinsight's force gauge is programmed such that you must pull back with enough force to ensure that the wire is truly locked in. A ding tone sounds to notify the operator of successful contact retention. If the wire pulls out, the operator must reinsert, then retest. Once the force test passes, the operator enters the next wire ID and continues inserting wires in this manner. In the case of twisted doubles, triples, quads, etc., the target for the first wire of the group is displayed and the computer voice speaks the wire color and target cavity.
A. White-orange wire.
Notice the target circle is displayed in the color of the wire to be inserted. Once the wire has been inserted and tested for contact retention, the target for the next wire in the group is instantly displayed
M.
in its corresponding
wire.
color. Insertion proceeds in this manner until all wires of the group are inserted. As the connector gets filled with wires, notice we seem to be able to see through the wires and even the operator's fingers. This transparency feature, unique to Pinsight, allows you to clearly see the correct target cavity, even on fully populated large connectors. Once all spare pins, seal plugs, and wires have been inserted, Pinsight gives a good tone to indicate the operator is finished. Now that you've seen the basic capabilities of Pinsight, we'll take you through some of the detailed and optional features.